We all love a bit of bread and pasta, right? But eating too much beige and brown food can leave us feeling sluggish. It's like driving a car with low fuel, it just doesn't go as well. Beige foods often lack the vitamins and minerals our bodies crave. These nutrients are like tools that help our bodies run smoothly. Without them, we might feel tired and grumpy. So, what's the solution? It's time to ditch the beige and embrace a rainbow of colors on our plates. Think of your plate as a canvas, ready to be painted with the vibrant hues of nature's bounty. Imagine the burst of colors, each one bringing its own unique flavor and health benefits to your meal. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables isn't just about making our meals look pretty. It's about nourishing our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to function at their best. It's about giving our bodies the full spectrum of nutrients they need to thrive. Each bite you take is a step towards better health and vitality. Each color group offers a unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From the deep reds of tomatoes to the bright yellows of bell peppers, every color has something special to offer. These powerful nutrients work together to boost our immune system, protect us from diseases, and keep us feeling energized. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant smoothie, packed with all the colors of the rainbow. Ready to discover the power of the rainbow diet? It's not just a trend, but a lifestyle choice that can transform your health. Let's dive into each color group and uncover their amazing health benefits. From boosting your mood to enhancing your skin, the rainbow diet has something for everyone. Red foods are like little bursts of sunshine for our bodies. Tomatoes, strawberries, and watermelon are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage. Lycopene is like a superhero for our hearts, helping to keep them strong and healthy. Red foods are also a good source of vitamin C, which gives our immune system a boost. So next time you're feeling a bit run down, reach for a juicy slice of watermelon or a handful of sweet strawberries. Your body will thank you for it. Section 4. Orange and yellow sunshine in every bite. Orange and yellow fruits and vegetables are like rays of sunshine on our plates. Carrots, oranges, and mangoes are bursting with vitamin C and beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It's like a shield that protects our bodies from harmful free radicals. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or add some chopped mango to your yogurt for a tropical twist. You'll be glowing from the inside out. Section 5. Green goodness, get your greens for a healthy body. We all know that green vegetables are good for us, but do you know why? These vibrant greens are more than just a pop of color on your plate. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with essential vitamins K, C, and A, as well as folate and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall health. These nutrients work together to support bone health, aid digestion, and boost our energy levels. They also play a role in reducing inflammation and improving immune function. Think of green vegetables as the building blocks for a strong and healthy body. They provide the foundation for a balanced diet and a vibrant life. Try adding a handful of spinach to your smoothies for an extra nutrient boost, sautéing some kale with garlic for a simple yet delicious side dish, or roasting broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil for a flavor-packed treat. Incorporating these greens into your meals can be easy and enjoyable. Make green vegetables a staple in your diet, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, more energetic you. Your body will thank you for it. Section 6. Blue and purple powerhouses. Fight disease with every forkful. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and protect it from illness. Blue and purple fruits and vegetables are like hidden gems in the produce aisle. They stand out with their rich, deep colors, but their true power lies within. Blueberries, grapes, and eggplant are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their vibrant color. These natural compounds are not just for show, they play a crucial role in maintaining our health. Anthocyanins have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your health. They're like little warriors fighting to protect our cells from damage. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Enjoy a handful of blueberries as a snack. a simple yet powerful way to boost your antioxidant intake. Add some grapes to your cheese board. Not only do they add a burst of flavor, but they also bring a host of health benefits. Or roast eggplant with herbs and spices for a delicious and nutritious meal. This versatile vegetable can be a star in many dishes, providing both taste and health benefits. Every bite is a step towards a healthier you. Embrace the power of blue and purple foods and let them be your allies in the fight against disease.